If you want to change icons color on Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus 5G, then first of all we need to open settings. In the settings we need to scroll down a little bit and go to wallpaper and personalization, and then over here choose icons. Here we can enable the background color for icons, so we can switch between blue, green, purple or brown. Unfortunately there is no preview over here. Well, there is actually if you go back and reopen this setting, so only then we can see the difference. But as you can see, we can change the colors of certain apps. So if I stick with green and if I go back to the home screen, as you can see, some of the app icons are now colored. Unfortunately, not every app icon is supported, only some default ones. But if you wish to switch it like that, then of course you have this option to do so. Furthermore, you can of course customize the icons a little bit more by using a different theme. So you can go to the themes app, and in the themes you can actually find a theme with different icons, right? With different style of icons. So let's actually try to find something for free. So over here we're gonna go to, let's say, categories, and let's maybe choose color. Okay, over here we have a certain free theme that we can use. So we can press download at the bottom. We can press customize before we apply it. If you want to only switch the icons, then you can customize it, and then we can select only icons. So we can make sure that only icons is selected and then press apply. And of course this doesn't change just the colors, but the whole theme of icons. And that is pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!